Hello at welcome sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, super gulo ang ating segment or ang ating episode because today is the last day of work para sa office namin. So dito sa house, we're throwing a party. We're hosting lunch. Tapos ang theme namin is grill out. So we're grilling some steaks, some sausages. I think merong prawns. So we won't really show you the whole segment, but we'll just demo yung isa kasi crabs. So, meron kaming crabs na lulutuin. Yun lang, kamay-kamay lang, relax. Tsaka yung outfit kailangan maluwag kasi kakain ka ng maraming kanin. So, very casual. We did not want any theme kasi parang syempre last day of work, diba? Ayaw mo nang ma-stress para kung anong susuotin mo. So, for today, I will just demo our crabs, no? It's a simple way of sauteing crabs para mas malinamnam. Tsaka yung sauce niya pwede mong makanin. So, let's go! Okay, so kanina habang nag-i-intro ko, ininit ko na to kasi it's very, very important na mainit ang ating kawali. So, it's just garlic, star margarine, canola oil, at Sprite. Yun lang, ganun lang ka-simple. Tapos siguro I'll add a bit of pepper kasi gusto natin siya ma-sauce para mas masarap sa kanin, masarap pagkamay, di ba? So, ubusin ko to. You have to remember, ang star margarine ay medyo alat na, di ba? So, you wanna control the salt. Yummy. Tapos dadamihan ko yung garlic, ha? Kasi, huwag kayo ma-shock. Pero masarap siya. So, kanina nakita nyo naman, buhay pa yung ating crabs. Pero na natin ang mainit na tubig para hindi siya masyadong magwala, no? So, I'm just gonna make sure that the garlic is cooking before I add our crabs. Habang nag-aano siya, lalagyan ko na ng pepper, no? Para sisiguro din kung maraming pepper. Yan. Nilagay ko na kasi doon malapit sa griller yung ground pepper. Nakahanda na yung griller. Meron din pa pala kaming kalaba. So, mamaya papakita ko rin. Pero pinapalinis pa natin ang kalaba. Ayan. So, medyo nagkukulo to. Yan. So, ngayon ko iaano ang ating dahan-dahan lang. Ano siya? Kita mo siya, sumasayo pa. Pero nanghihina na siya kasi nga, we put the hot water. So ito, I'm gonna wait for it to change color before I add the Sprite, no? Ayan, no? Sumasayo pa siya. Maghihingalo na siya. So, let me on the other fire. So, I'll turn on 2 fire para lang mas mabilis. No? So, I'm just gonna leave it like that para it starts cooking. Just gonna keep on putting the pepper para mamaya manamis-tamis siya. Dito ko na siya isuserve. Dito ko na siya ililipat para tipid sa hugas. Anyway, ano lang naman tayo eh. Casual lang tayo, di ba? So, we want it to be peppery. So, it's a little bit spicy. And then the Sprite will give it a little bit of sweetness, no? Actually, that's where the sweetness will be coming from. So, maraming salamat sa sponsor ng ating crabs, no? So, hindi pa siya nag-change ng color, no? So, we'll just wait for that. Yan. Ayan, para mas masarap, ma-absorb siya. Yun. Messy to cook, messy to eat, pero malinam na. Diba? Nagdadasal si Ate Lina, manalo siya ng raffle ngayong araw na ito. Diba? So una, we thought of eating out, no? Pero parang sabi ko, if we eat out naman, hindi naman kami makakasalita, di ba? Hindi kami makakaingay. So, we thought to just post it here at home. I'll cook para they can also rest a little bit. So, mamaya, marami tayong taste tester. So, hindi pa siya luto. Tagal-tagal pa yan. Try natin. So, for today, meron kaming talaba. I'm just gonna, very simple lang siya. It's just red onions, brown rice vinegar, and plain vinegar. So, here. Kasi wala akong red wine. So, ito lang siya. Ito na lang ka-simple. And then, I'm just gonna add some sugar. Yan na yung sauce natin for our oysters. Hindi to social. Kinuha ko na to sa hotel. Nag-iipon ako. Para libre. Ayan, yung sugar. Hindi naman pag kumakain kami sa buffet, ha? Yun yung kunyari na may hotel. Kinaipon ko yung sugar. So what, di ba? Okay, so yun na yung ating, para sa ating oysters. Ako magluluto ng oyster, ha? Now, we're gonna add some Sprite. About half of this. So, paboil lang natin yan. Then, we're ready to go. Ayan, para may sabaw-sabaw. Malinamnam. Look at all of those garlic. Yan talagang papasarap dito yung garlic. Ayan, now it's changing color sa loob na. See? Let's see. There. Now you know it's starting to get cooked. Normally, it's very quick. It's just that, ang laki talaga ng crabs. I think this is 5 kilos. So, we're cooking it all at the same time. Let me just taste the sauce a little bit, no? Yan, masarap. Sarap. Very good. Very good. Sarap siya. Masarap magkamay. Masarap sa kanin. Yan. Sa mga kumakain ng crabs. So, it just needs a little bit of boiling. So, ready na to for our Christmas spread na fa buffet. Later, I'll show you. So, una, we got a gift ng hamon. So, what I did is, nag-order ako ng pandesal. Pinilabas ko yung panini maker ko. So, people could just, you know, grill their own. And then, second, nag-order ako ng pancit sa banangs, no? Yung may lechon on top. And then, meron akong grilled prawns. Ito, meron akong crabs. Meron akong grilled sausages and hot dogs. Meron tayong grilled talaba. Tapos, meron tayong ensaladang Pinoy na nag-boil lang kami ng okra, alugbati, talong. Pero yung instead of plain bagoong, minix ko na ang red onions, kamatis, and bagoong. So, siguro yung episode na to, yung papakita namin yung spread ng buong buffet ng aming staff party. No? So, kinumbine namin yung house staff at yung sa office. Kasi normally, house staff may sarili, pero parang sobra kaming pressed for time. So, we're just combining all. Yan, nagbaboil na siya, pantay-pantay na siya. So, I think this is just, you know, maybe another 5 minutes and this should be done. Because our theme is very casual, so pwede mo na i-serve dito. Huwag mo na ilipat ng lagayan. Para people can also relax kasi party din naman ng staff, di ba? So, para wala tayong masyadong nililipit. Di ba? Tapos, paper plates lang kami. Ginandahan ko na lang yung paper plates at saka yung plastic cup para may pagka-festive naman. But, I did not want to use dishes na may matitira mamaya para maghugas, di ba? So, it's unfair naman. So, that's why everything is disposable today. Di ba? Christmas talaga sa lahat. Eh, tsaka mamaya baka malasing pa sila. And then, I also made pala dalandan juice with vodka. Pero hindi ko sinabi sa kanila. Sana walang batang uminom. Tikman mo yung sauce. Tikman. Sarap. Diba? It's like fat straight to your vein. Ang sarap. Now, this is ready. And then you see, gaano nakakonte yung Sprite. Diba kanina you saw it, it's a little bit filled. Dinare-reduce natin because na-absorb na siya ng crabs kahit paikot-ikot. So, doon siya magkakaroon ng taste. And manamis-namis na siya because of the Sprite. Now, it's really vigorously boiling. And that's what we want. Because that's when everything gets cooked and really mixed up. And it will get further reduced. So, mamaya, you know, when you eat this, parang ang sarap sip-sipin talaga. At pag-aagawan nila yung sauce. Kasi talagang na yung crab. Nag-mix well. Yung crab fat, yung juices, the Sprite, the star margarine, the canola oil, and the garlic. Of course, hindi ko to kaya kargahin. Kailangan natin ng muscles. There you go. So, basically, this is my panini maker. Binigay to sa akin as a wedding gift. I'm 11 years married. So, I use it every December 25 pag meron kaming family gathering. So, kaso ngayon lang naman kami nag-host ng party. So, gagawa na ako ng ganito. Gagawa na ako ng marami, ah. So there, depress mo lang siya.
Ito yung timer, so I don't really turn it on. Put it at the medium setting, and then later I'll put it at the lowest. Kasi pag marami na tao, it will be very hot.
If you wanna see our spread, to, di ba? This is our gulay. Tapos yun yung hinaluan ko, our own mix of our bagoong. Tapos lechon, pansit. And then our ham, our sushi platter, the crabs we made. So after this, naka-duty na ako sa griller. So ngayon, ang una nating lulutuin ay ang ating talaba. Para bumuka na siya. Lalagyan natin ito lahat sa lamesa. Tapos sunod, I'll cook the sausages. Ayan, oo. Bumuka na siya. Lagyan mo ng sauce.
Sarap. Alam ko kumain na to, pero ang sarap. Promise. Nalalasahan mo yung mga nilagay talaga. Yung tipong Masarap talaga siya, seryoso.
Oh, mukha naman eh.
Ayan mo, for the simut-simut na ako, try nyo.
Masarap naman, moist yung laman, meaty, malasa yung mismo sauce, kaya goods naman po.
Ang